Every year, as the flu season approaches, many parents worry about how to keep their children safe and healthy. There are many practical steps you can take to protect your child from catching the flu and to reduce its spread. The best way to protect your child from the flu is to make sure the whole family gets vaccinated. When everyone is protected, the flu virus has fewer chances to spread. This helps keep your child safe, even if they meet someone who is sick. Getting vaccinated together makes your home a strong shield against the flu. Encouraging your child to wash their hands regularly is one of the simplest and most effective ways to prevent the flu. Using soap and water for at least 20 seconds helps remove germs and viruses that they may have picked up during daily activities. It's especially important to wash hands before eating and after coughing, sneezing, or playing outdoors. Consistent hand washing builds a healthy habit that keeps your child and others around them safe from infection. A healthy diet helps your child stay strong and fight the flu. Fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins give important nutrients for their body. Foods like oranges and strawberries with vitamin C make them stronger and recover faster. Eating well keeps your child healthy during flu season. Encouraging your child to drink enough water each day is vital for maintaining good health and flu protection. Proper hydration helps the body flush out toxins and supports all essential functions, including the immune system. When children are well hydrated, their bodies can better fight off germs and recover faster if they get sick. Make drinking water a daily habit to keep your child healthy and energized. Getting enough sleep is essential for your child's body to stay strong and fight off infections like the flu. During rest, the body repairs itself and produces important cells that support the immune system. Lack of sleep can weaken their defenses, making them more vulnerable to illness. Ensuring your child gets age-appropriate sleep each night helps keep them healthy and alert. Using an air purifier at home can help protect your child from the flu by keeping the indoor air clean and free from harmful particles. Air purifiers remove dust, allergens, and airborne viruses that may spread illness. Breathing cleaner air supports your child's respiratory health and reduces their risk of infection. This simple step creates a safer and healthier environment during flu season. If your child starts showing flu symptoms, it's important to contact your doctor right away. Early medical attention helps manage symptoms before they become severe. Quick treatment can also prevent complications and help your child recover faster. With these methods, you can help your child stay safe, healthy, and ready to enjoy the season without the flu holding them back.